The Sotox is made with peptides as the primary active in the product. A peptide that is a firming peptide that actually rebuilds the collagen of the skin, and the 2 to 3 weeks there should be some noticeable difference in the skin. Pinus pinaster, from a pine tree that grows in the Mediterranean, is a very special kind of antioxidant from the bark that is extremely good for preventing and reversing cell damage that's caused by sun damage and other, just life itself. The millet seed, the Panicum milliceum, is another one that has a lot of good antioxidant protection. Squalane. Squalane is something that people hear about a lot, and there's, I just want to mention there's squalene and squalane, and some people don't know what the difference is, but squalene is usually something that is from an animal. They would get it from shark or from a few other animals that you can get squalene from, but this one is from olive, and it's almost like your skin's own sebum, so it's really compatible with your skin. It penetrates very nicely, and it leaves kind of a soft, velvety feeling on the skin. That, along with the shea butter. There's a seaweed extract in this, the carrageenan, that's really good for holding moisture on the surface of your skin, so it's sort of protective that way. Then the SONGYI mushroom is something that helps prevent pigmentation, so that's a brightening ingredient. The sodium hyaluronate, I haven't mentioned that very much, and it's in a few of the other products too. The sodium hyaluronate is a moisturizing ingredient that we have in our own skin. We have in our eyeballs. We have it in, other areas that are really need to hold a lot of moisture. Sodium hyaluronate is from a non-animal source, which is really kind of important to know. The essential oils in this product, there's a beautiful neroli that comes from Tunisia, Roman chamomile from the farm in Italy that is the 5th generation family-owned farm. Frankincense comes from Oman in the Middle East, and Somalia. Helichrysum is from Corsica, and that's an amazing oil for anything from bruises to cuts, any kind of abrasions. It's really good for restoring cell tissue. Geranium is the same as Helichrysum in that way that it restores cell tissues. The Zavalol, very soothing anti-inflammatory ingredient, and a lot of times it's synthetically produced, but this is from the actual plant. Dipalmitoyl hydroxyproline. That is another skin firming ingredient. There's a lot of evidence-based testing on that. It's firming. It's got long-term benefits. The results are seen probably within 2 to 3 weeks on this one. Super ingredient for lifting and firming.